Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to sideload applications on your Android TV without using a download application. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So if you have an Android TV or a TV with an Android operating system and you're looking to sideload applications without using a download application, this is going to be a full guide for you because I will show you every single step you need to follow on your Android TV. So on this device, I'm using my Android TV box called Sling TV box, and it's currently on a discount. So if you're looking for a TV box to replace your Fire Stick or your smart TV, a TV box with an Android operating system with lots of features, you can check out this Sling TV box. There's a link in the description of this video that I've attached. It is currently on a discount. If you check out the link, I'm sure you are going to like the box, and if you find it good, let me know in the comment section. But it's one of the best TV box I've used on Android TV. So, and I really love it because it has lots of features that I believe if you click the link in the description, you are going to find the features benefiting. Nevertheless, let's go ahead. So now here's my Android TV box, and how do you sideload applications on an Android TV device without the download applications? That's what I'm about to show you. Now the very first thing for me is go over to my app stores over here, and as you can see I have the download application, but just today downloader stopped working. So I thought of creating a video that will help my viewers learn how to sideload applications without using downloader, or in the case that downloader stops working. So how do you do that? And that's what I'll be showing you here. Now the only application I'm going to be using in my case here is my browser, which is the Google browser. Now you can use any browser on your Android device. Whatever browser you use, you are still going to get similar results, but for me I prefer the Google browser because I love it. So this is my Google browser, and I'm going to show you everything you need to do. So if you have an Android device, that device is going to have a browser. As long as it has an Android operating system, then it should have a browser. And for me, Google is the best browser, but any other browser should work. The key is that that device should have an Android operating system. Please, this is not going to work on a Fire TV because Fire TV is blocking sideloading, but Android has not blocked that. So you can see sideload applications on Android, and I'm going to show you here. So what you have to do, go over to your browser. As I said, any browser will do. And on your browser, what you need to do is search for this application called APK Time. So here's the application over here. So this is what I'm actually showing you guys is the best way I install applications to my Android TV without using downloader, and I use this application called APK Time. So how do you install it? There are many options here. I'm going to show you the one that is going to work, which is this option here, APK Time download for Android free Malavida. So this is the option you should choose. So as you click on that option, it's going to bring you over here on this page, and this is the installation page for this application, for the APK of this application. So what you need to do, just click on the application APK over here. It will bring you to the official download page. Just give it a second for it to load, and then click on download. Once you click on download on your Android TV or your TV that has an Android operating system, it's going to ask you, do you want to download APK Time? Which you just click download. Now I would recommend using VPN if you are not so sure about browsing on the internet. In the description of this video, I've also added a VPN option that you can check out, where if you are good, then no problem. So once the application has been downloaded, it's going to ask you to install, which is simply has to just come out here and click on install. So as you click on install, the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. Remember, I keep saying this is only going to work on an Android TV. If you have a smart TV like Hisense Smart TV or a Weibo Smart TV or a Samsung Smart TV, this is not going to work. Sideloading is only allowed on Android TVs or TVs that has Android operating system, and that's why I'm able to do this here. So once this is done, just click on done over here, and then you can return to home. So install this application. Now what you have to do is to head over back, and if you come back here, you see the application has been installed to my Android TV. Here's it over here. Now once you launch this application, I call it a mini app store, I call it a replacement or an alternative to App Store. And what I love about this application is that it has the essential applications that every Android TV user wants. So if you're looking for an application or a top application in any category, this App Store should have it. So let's say for instance, you can just browse through the categories over here. I don't want to open lots of them because there are some applications that I'm not at liberty to showcase on a video. So for instance, if you come out to a category like this, players and browsers, you're going to see TV browsers or players that you can install to your Android TV and use without any issues. Let's say for instance, there is the AMP player here, and you know AMP player is a TV player that works perfect for Android TVs. So the first option is for install on Android TV. The second option is for Fire Stick. So since we have an Android TV, I can go ahead and download this option if I want to install it to my Android TV. And by so doing, I'm already sideloading this application to my Android TV just using this application. And there are lots of other applications here they can download. You can take out your time and browse through all the applications and see what you might be interested in or what you might not be interested in. So for instance, I just downloaded the AMP player. This is version 3.02. This was updated 9 November. That's just about a week ago. So once the application is downloaded, you can just go over here and install it from here. As you see, I can download applications from here and I can install to my device. So you see, it is downloaded and installed. So there are lots of other applications that you can sideload from this app store. Just go over here, take out your time and browse through. But this is my favorite option to sideload applications to my Android TV without using the download option. Now, just as a bonus, if you don't want to use APK Time, there is a secret to using your browser to sideload applications, which is simply just come out to your browser and whatever application you are searching for. Let's say for instance, I'm searching for the VLC application. So VLC, this is just a bonus that I'm adding to this. So if you want to sideload an application to your Android TV just using your browser, what you need to do, if you go over to your browser like this, once you type in the name of the application, at the end of it, just simply type APK. Once you type APK and you search, what you're going to see on your browser is various sources on the internet that can install the APK of that particular application. And let's say for instance, I want to sideload the VLC without using Google Play Store or downloader. I can come out to this option, Malavida again, and I can click on this option and I can install the application from here, just like we installed the very first application. So the secret is go over to your browser, search for any application, just add the APK at the end of it. So it's going to give you the option to install the APK to the application. You can try that with another app. Let's try that with another option. Let's say we want to install the Chrome application. So just go over here and type Chrome and I type Chrome APK. Here's an option over here. And I search this Chrome APK. As you can see, I'm also going to see options that can install the APK to my Android TV. So that's how you can sideload without necessarily using Google Play Store or the download application. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.